To perform first setup on 70MAI A200 set camera, first of all, you will need to watch my video on the connections for all of the cables on this set. So this video should be linked in the description. You can watch it so that you know how to plug in all of the cables. When you have the cables sorted out, then you'll be able to power on your camera. You will need to remove this protective sticker from the screen, and after that we can continue throughout this setup. So first thing is a language that you'll be using to navigate your device. In this case I'm gonna go for English. Then we can adjust the time settings. You can put it however you like. Just click on those buttons. You'll see how to navigate right there, so you can move to the other month, other day, year, and then the hours. When it's ready, click on this button to set it. After that, you can adjust parking surveillance cable. So if you've watched the video about connections, you will know that you need to plug the parking surveillance camera into the bottom slot right here. When it's properly connected, let me see actually, yep. Okay, we can click on OK button. When you have this prompt right here, you will need to download an app on your smartphone device. So usually just grab a smartphone and you can download this app from Google Play Store. Just search for an app called 70MAI. You can open it right here or download it. After that, make sure that you're logged into your 70MAI account and click on Add Device. From here, look for the camera that you own. In this case, we should be able to find A200 right there. And now we need to activate Wi-Fi hotspot for our camera. And it's fairly simple. If you take your camera, you can skip the download step by clicking on this button right here. And then it should show you the screen of the footage of your camera, honestly. Inside, you will also need to plug in your SD card. And now we can go into the settings by clicking on this button right here. Move throughout the steps until you find the system. If system is selected, click on this button, then go to the Wi-Fi hotspot with again this button, and click on with again this button. That way our Wi-Fi should be turned on. You can see the password, it is very important. Take a look on your phone again. Now swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, go into the Wi-Fi options, and here wait until all of the available networks are scanned. Inside you should find the 70MAI A200 and then the name of your camera, and you need to enter the password from this screen. So it should be 3786 2261. Click on connect. Now our dashcam camera should be connected with the phone. Just wait until it says connected to device. And now we need to go back to the app and click on the next step while everything is selected. Go to connect. Our cam is already connected. Don't know why it's asking for it again. We can simply go back, and now we need to confirm it on our camera. So grab your camera and click on this button right here. And that way we can open a dashcam footage, and our camera is also connected with the app. So that is a full process. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.